Hi, this is Maggie from Mommy'sGoneShoppingAgain.com. We were one of the party hosts chosen to host an iRobot Roomba red carpet party through a house party. Here's what was included in our party pack. There were t-shirts for each of the guests that say I love robots, the virtual lighthouses that were included for the Roomba, an extra filter, of course owner's manual, and the quick start guide. This is the awesome box that the iRobot Roomba came in, and over here it was the star of the show, the iRobot Roomba 870, and there is the charging station, that also the dock that came along with the iRobot. This was a truly awesome party pack, and stay tuned for more reviews of the iRobot Roomba, how to clean it, and we will also show how it works on stairs. Thanks and have a great day.